Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly after our first week back. It's Friday the 12th of March and we're here for nursery reception year 1 and year 2 shout outs. And we've got lots of shout outs this morning because you have all come back to school just on it. It has been amazing how hard you have been working. Thank you everyone, well done. Let's keep it up for the next 2 weeks as well and see if you can get shout outs as well. And then heading up to as well, presentation assembly for the last Friday of term. So we're going to start off, let's have a look at some of these shout outs. Here we go. Right, look out, here we go. We've got some, look at Turtle Class, look at Miss Arnold's shout outs. Look at these. You've got Noah, Lincoln, Ruben, Esme, Oliver, Willow, Amelia, Ahmed and Evie. Absolutely on it from day one. And I know Miss Arnold's so impressed with your positive attitudes, your big smiley faces, and actually how hard you've been working and getting down to work. So really well done, Turtles. It's been fantastic. So a great start back. Keep it up for these next 2 weeks, you superstars. Well done. Moving on, we've got, look, Miss Beckham's shout outs. Look at all these. You can see, look at them. Heads, look at, you can just see how hard they're working. You can feel it coming off the screen. Look, Danelius, Scarlett, Lita, Bartos, Teddy, Caden, Noah, Kobe, Beatrix, Jack, Marcy, Adama and Anna Maria. Look at you guys. Look how hard you are working. It is amazing. Really well done. What a fantastic week. Miss Begum just can't wait for these next 2 weeks as well. Because if you carry on that, she is going to be a very, very happy teacher, as is Mr. Allen. So well done, guys. Moving on. Oh, look at this right superstar. Look at these nursery children coming back in, being so independent, just getting on, doing as if they haven't been off. It's been amazing. We've got Jasmine, Nella, Letty, Lola, Arafat, Alicia, Ruby and Maria. Absolutely amazing, guys. And just superbly coming back in, as if you haven't been off. So grown up. So brilliant. Well done. I know Miss Wright is very proud of you all. So well done, guys. Thank you. Next we have, look out, Super Sharks. Look at these reception children. Look at these again. Look, again, so many names to shout out. Look, we've got Oakley, Yasmin, Elizabeth, Ava, Charlie, Jackson, Georgia. We've got Mason, Jamie and Toby. You've got Emily and Willow. You've got Harley, Alinka, Jensen and Lucas. You've got Caitlin, Braylon. I'll say Georgia again. I've got to say Georgia again. She's moved up 4 books, 4 groups. It's been amazing, Georgia. What a fantastic effort. These Super Sharks have come back in and been absolute super every single day. So well done, Sharks. I am so proud of you. Keep it up. Moving on. Miss Marshalls, look at these. Look at these year ones. Look at them. Ben, we've got Emily, Tudor, Alex and Mimi. Look at the work. The writer is nearly falling over. I'm so shocked, as was Miss Marshall, to come back in that first week back in and work so hard. Massive shout out to you all. Really well done. And just keep it up, because I know Miss Marshall is looking forward to these next 2 weeks. So well done. Next we have, oh, look at Mrs. Cook's shout outs again. A huge wall of shout outs where everyone's come back in. We've got Ebony, Leah, Alfie, Mia May, Jake, Paul, Rosie, Casper, Dovis, Maya, Rion and Rowan. Ta-da! Look at, guys, again, the work that you are doing. I know Mrs. Cook is so impressed with you straight on from Monday. You've been working so hard. So massive shout out to you all and just keep it up, guys. So really well done. Thank you. Moving on. Oh, look out. Here we go. Look at Miss Hawkins. Look, we've got Oliver, Dorcas, you've got Mason, Sky, Muntaha, Mohammed and Levi. You guys just working so hard. Straight back into it. Thank you so much. I know Miss Hawkins is very impressed. It's as if you haven't been on. Oliver, special shout out, done an amazing book there which he shared with us all. And it's absolutely fantastic, all his nature works and all the birds and different creatures that he has seen. And he's earned himself some house points for that as well. So massive shout out for you as well, Oliver. So really well done, buddy. Fantastic, guys. So proud of you. Moving on. Here we go. Look. Keep on earning Easter raffle tickets, guys. You know what it's about now. You've seen the assembly. Keep working hard, keep trying hard, being kind, helping others. Whatever that is, you know you will earn yourself an Easter raffle ticket to go into the Easter draw. And who knows, you could win one of these lovely Easter eggs. So keep working hard, guys. Keep earning your raffle tickets. And when the draw comes at the end in 2 weeks' time, who knows, you could be going home with a lovely Easter egg. So keep up the amazing work. Fantastic. Moving on, here we go. Please, this weekend, everyone, just another reminder, we are still in lockdown. We're still a nation in lockdown. Yes, we can come to school. The expectation from there is still that we stay home, we protect Marcos, help Mr. Allen keep school open. That way, we will keep everyone safe. So please, guys, please keep doing that. Don't ask to go around to each other's houses because we are still in lockdown. Doing that, Mr. Allen keeps school open right their way up to Easter. Until next week, everyone. Bye-bye now.